Hi everyone, Gannon here with Automation Intellect. Today's mini demo series will be focusing on production line flexibility within your facility and how Automation Intellect can make guesswork a thing of the past. Frequently in manufacturing, we'll hear the phrase, schedule product A to be ran on machine 1 because it just runs better there than the other equipment. While this phrase holds a lot of weight in the manufacturing environment, where is the data that backs up this decision? Automation Intellect is designed to put this data into one unified location that makes improving easy for your team. With the Automation Intellect platform, virtually every out-of-the-box visual or customized report is focused around the idea of grouping or sorting by product or shift metrics. This allows your team to understand which products perform well on a given machine, leading to improved scheduling and ultimately increasing your profit within the industry. The production view screen shown below is just one of the many views that can help your team become cutting edge. Another area that's very important to production success is how fast you can transition from one product to the next. The infamous phrases changeover and SMED, which are driving initiatives within your facility. Automation Intellect provides a changeover IQ module, which helps clients to expedite this process. Our digital recording tool, with automated reporting incorporated, allows clients to see what they are losing on their production floor. By utilizing the Changeover IQ tool in conjunction with the OEE modules shown earlier, your team has the ability to unify your business, allocate your resources properly, increase productivity, and ultimately improve your bottom line. Automation Intellect is committed to helping our clients across the globe to achieve world-class OEE. If you'd like to talk with the automation team about Changeover IQ or our OEE platform, reach out to us through LinkedIn or automationintellect.com. I look forward to seeing everyone on next week's mini demo series as we dive into real-time reporting and alerting. Thank you everyone and have a great day.